And the below one is cardinal, right?
Cardinal, yes.
Yeah, it's a brown. It's a female.
Can't drink my coffee and drive at the same time.
Right.
I'm like, switch.
He wants his coffee.
I'm going to go behind the cloak there.
Also a place where the green kingfisher will sit, and he's hard to find. So check the edges, because he's just sitting on a cattail sometimes.
We were just talking about that. No,
Good
old
thing
men. No, not.
It looks like has the shoulders like this.
I
Even though
can't
it's
hear
just a
what he
juvenile.
says over there when I'm over here.
Walk tonight hunting. So yeah, pretty cool birds. And we used to say they only occur. I don't know what the Golden Book said, but for better or for worse. And we should move back. It's starting to get a little bit nervous now. twitching a bit. Oh,
no, they're right. They're still right. Their rough feathers seem so dry.
when these guys are born, they look like a little gray tennis ball sitting in the water. They're just tiny, all feathers. And it's the smallest guy in the group.
When they get a little bit bigger, when we first got here, they were young, and they have two stripes on their head. A lot of the grebes have looked at killed them, and now they're grown up, so they don't have the stripes anymore. So Mom said,
Thinly settled province, but they're generating huge amounts of electric. And so there was a big thing in Maine because although our power comes from there, Massachusetts, the power companies were requesting to put in this mega transmission line, but it would have gone through all of Maine without any benefit to Maine, just to serve those people down in Massachusetts. So those grids are totally interconnected, but there are
what Merlin says, see a bird fly. So the reviewer now
That's right.
usually is
Once you get into the insects,
they know you're a birder
beyond the near.
and you've posted a lot. They're not going to question if you're a bird if you have.
If you look at it when they face you, on the bottom of their neck, the middle of the neck, they have a
There's a
red
black and white
patch.
warbler coming in the behind the chachalakas.
Yep, black and white. Might come into the drift.
Oh, I see back there. Wow.
Up Oriole just came in. On the left, Ultimate Oriole, gone to the grapefruit now. And you can still see the bit of that orange. Looking at it in two binoculars. It's just got a smidgen of a thing there. You want to make sure that grapefruit doesn't fall away, so he's holding on to it. Oh, great Kiskadee, excellent. Mother goes in here, used to put out a bird bath, and it's gonna bring the birds in, and we fill it with water, and then 4 days later it would be 90 degrees, and starting to evaporate, and so, because the neck on it, if it is striated and has a white patch, it'll be a white throated thrush, and we haven't had one for about 7 years in here.
It is striated, but it's not white.
Yeah, it has black striations. It almost would be the opposite. The striations would look white, and it would have a big white pouch at the base of the neck. And it's a bird that comes up from Mexico maybe every 4 or 5 years to the U.S., but we've been 7 years since we've had one here in the valley and here at the park.